Hi friends, welcome to Nandini Chander channel. Vanakkam நண்பர்களே, Nandini Chander channelக்கு நல்வரவு. Today we are going to see how to make in bulk quantities the Chinese fried rice and noodles. Best wishes, all is well. தக்காளி வெங்காயம் பூண்டு put it on that paneer tofu. This is tofu. Chutney or not? Some more chutney? Appa master per color. Chef is mixing it. Fried rice ready. Kanagamma soya sauce போட்டிங்களா? soya sauce போட்டிங்களா? add a little bit soya sauce. Put one more please. Fried rice soya sauce mix பண்ணிருக்கு.
You making noodles in this now?
Yeah. Malaysian fried rice. The fried tofu will be
Singapore.
vegetable fried rice.
Singapore fried rice.
Singapore.
And mix them well. Yummy.
This is Malaysian fried rice. Yeah. From Malaysia. Fried rice and noodles ரெண்டு ஒரே மாதிரியா? ஒரே ரெசிபி இல்ல, அது கொஞ்சம் மாற்றம். What's the difference between the fried rice and noodles? Sesame seed இருக்கு அதுல. Sesame. ஆமா, soya அது dark soya sauce. The light தான் போடுறாங்க. That is dark soya sauce fried rice. Almost same done, little bit done. And it has sesame seeds fried rice, but this doesn't. Oh, this has sesame seeds. Noodles has sesame seeds. Yeah. Difference between fried rice and this has sesame seeds in it. Noodles, soya sauce has got sesame seeds. He knows how to make paratha, he knows everything. Samosa packing happening. This is coming on YouTube, okay? Nandini Chander. You can see. Hello. Hi. Please. Going for today's sale from Vedanta Center. Being packed. If you learned something from this video, please give a like, comment, share and subscribe. Best wishes. All is well.